Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's Isaac, and today we are doing the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter review. I'm pretty sure everybody already owns the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter in the shade 100, and it's this gorgeous, buttery, golden shade, and it's literally everything, you guys. Like, do you see that swatch? Do you see that? It's just so beautiful. And I'm pretty sure everybody has this highlighter in their collection by now. But if I was at the drugstore today, just looking around, picking up some skincare, picking up some makeup, picking up some packages, you know, kind of deal. And I noticed, bam, Maybelline launched 2 more highlighters, and they released this one shade called Molten Rose Gold in the shade 50. And they also released this other shade in the shade Prismatic. We're going to be trying out these 2 brand new shades that Maybelline has released from their Master Chrome highlighter collection. And we're going to be trying out the Rose Gold shade on one cheekbone, and we're going to be trying out the Prismatic highlighter shade on the other cheekbone. So if you guys want to see me review these highlighters, keep on watching, because these highlighters are seriously bomb as fuck. So I'm going to be using this clean, dual-ended, kind of fluffy highlighting brush that I use from Tarte all the time. It's super good. And this side I'm going to use also for my other side, so we don't cross-contaminate the product. The first shade I'm going to be taking is the Molten Rose Gold shade, and this is it right here. She's gorgeous, she's ready to go, she's a golden pink shade, she's universal, she works for every skin tone. You know the drill. Open her up. Bam, there she is, fresh out of the package. And we're just gonna swatch her right next to this golden shade. Oh my god, you guys. Do you guys see that? Like, seriously, they don't sit on top of the skin, they melt into the skin. It is so beautiful. They're just so affordable. They're like $11.99, and they are so affordable, so good, so buttery, so pigmented, and honestly, they are worth the buy. They are totally worth the buy. So, for this Molten Rose Gold shade, I'm just going to take some of this on my Tarte highlighting brush. Just going to pick some up like that, and we're just going to pop it on the cheekbone. Oh my god, do you guys see that? Like, melting into my skin. It's like butter. Oh my god, yes! Bitch. Oh my god, that is so pretty, you guys. Oh, hi, highlighter. Have you been all my life? Bam! So that is the Molten Rose Gold shade on this side. And it's just such a beautiful, rosy, pinky kind of shade, and it's just gonna really enhance your blush. And I feel like rose gold honestly looks very good on any skin tone. It's very universal. I am highly loving this shade right now. I am highly a fan of this shade. If you're going to pick up any shade and you don't know if the gold one or the white one, the prismatic one or the gold one is going to be too light or too dark, then I would highly suggest picking up the rose gold one, because it is just in between there, and you know it's not going to leave your skin looking ashy no matter what color skin you are. So I'd highly recommend checking out the rose gold one if you are uncertain of what color to get for your skin. You're going to just open her up really quick. Bam. Got the prismatic highlighter from Master Chrome collection. It is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this. So this is going to create a prismatic glow, and it's going to be a master holographic highlighter. That is the claims on the back. I don't know if it's going to be holographic. It might be more dual chrome. I don't know. We'll see. Let's just swatch it. I'm gonna swatch this prismatic highlighter really quick. I'm gonna take it on my pinky. This one's a little more glitterier, as you can tell. It's going to give you more glitter on top if you're more into those kind of glittery highlights. it is changing color and it has this like shape-shifting color. I would call this more of a, actually, I wouldn't really call this a holographic highlighter. I'd call this more of a dual chrome effect. I don't know, that's just me, and it's just a little more glitterier. Ooh, so we're gonna just try this shade out. I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, it picked up a lot on the back of the brush. That was like just 2 swipes like that. And we're just gonna pop her on. Oh. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. So far it's coming off like this light iridescent pink. It shape shifted. Okay. Yep. This is going all over to Cupid's bow. Kind of just like a light iridescent pink, and it's so gorgeous. This side's more rosy gold, and then this side is more iridescent, and it more shape shifts, more dual chrome effect. That's what I love about it. Oh, and it gives me this beautiful wet effect. Oh my god, I am glowing to the gods right now, you guys. I am living for this white one and this rose gold, but this one is so pretty. So this is the prismatic one. So this one's supposed to have a shape-shifting effect. And I agree 100%. I wouldn't say it's holographic, but it is definitely shape-shifting, and it is definitely gorgeous on the skin. Losing that much money from the false claim of holographic, but I'm not too mad about that. It's a gorgeous highlighter. And it just like, these highlighters just melt into the skin so nicely. Like, I don't know what it is, but this one's a little more glittery, but once you put it on with a brush, it's gorgeous still, but it's a little more glitterier, do be aware. But if you're more into a more skin-like effect onto the skin and it doesn't sit more on top of the skin, then I would highly go with the Molten Rose Gold, because this one melts into my skin more than the prismatic one. So I definitely like the Rose Gold one the most out of these two. The 3, I'd have to say I definitely like the Rose Gold the best, just because it's very universal. It melts into the skin, and it's very perfect for any skin tone, I think. And like, seriously, it's beautiful. Like, do you guys see that? It just like melted into my skin so nicely. It's just so buttery, so beautiful. This one is beautiful, but it's just a little more glitterier. If you're into that kind of effect, it might look a little more better on camera for picture purposes, but for real life, it's just a little more glitterier, into more glitter on your cheekbones, and I would suggest a prismatic one. But this one, the rose gold one, I highly love because it just melts into the skin the best. So overall, I'd have to say these Master Chrome highlighters are a holy grail for me, you guys. I definitely loved these highlighters so much. This holographic highlighter was so cool. I think it's so cool. It has these shape-shifting properties to it, and I think it's just cool. This would be fun for a night out also. This holographic highlighter, I think it'd be really cool, just so it amps up your highlight a bit. But if you're just looking for an everyday highlight, I would go with the rose gold one. Definitely want Maybelline to make more shades of these highlighters because they are just so pretty. Like, I'm just gonna pop some of this gold on my inner corner really quick because I feel like it's just gonna be really pretty. Bam. I'd highly recommend for everyone to go buy them. They are just the most affordable, best highlighters in the drugstore on the market, hands down. Like, I would highly suggest these highlighters. They are just so good, so buttery, so rich in pigment, and you won't regret buying these highlighters. I hope you guys enjoyed this Master Chrome highlighter review, and I really do enjoy Maybelline's highlighters a lot. I think the Molten Gold was such a hit for everyone, and I'm just so happy that they released more shades for more people to use. So, because the gold shade is a little too dark for me, not gonna lie, but it is beautiful on the eyes also, so I do make it work still, and it's beautiful in the inner corner too, which is a highlight. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this review, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check out my social media platforms down below. It will be all linked in the description box. I love you guys all so much, and I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys.